This is the Vallon Vmh3cs Pulse Induction metal detector. If, like me, you use this in a marine environment, it's worth doing this little service at least once a year. The entire detector is waterproof to 4 meters, but due to their military use, check all your seals first. The foot should be carefully checked, as water ingress will cause erroneous recordings. It's hard to actually damage these detectors though, just annoying if they do get wet. The service is self-explanatory and easy to perform. You simply remove the plugs and clean everything. I use baby wipes, they're perfect for this job. After this, lubricate the seals and the hinges using a silicone-based grease only. Do not use Vaseline. Camera lens grease is ideal, cheap and available. Anyway, I hope this helps. One amazing Vallon tip: you can use the mineral balance settings on small iron fines to make this detector discriminate. It's worth knowing. Have fun. Here are some of the photos of coins and some of the gold this detector has found for me over the years. They really are an incredible piece of kit.